The HPN TrueSpec dual heat slide-out cap press is an absolute game changer that's rich in features, high in quality, and unbeatable in value. Let's take a closer look at the latest addition to Heat Press Nation's TrueSpec line of heat press machines. To be worthy of the TrueSpec name, the dual heat slide-out cap press has been overbuilt to withstand the day-to-day use of even the most demanding print shops. The frame is laser cut from heavy gauge steel. Internal components are UL certified for reliability and durability. And of course, this machine is backed by Heat Press Nation's legendary My Expert guarantee, which includes a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. Both the upper and lower platens are heated and can be set to different temperatures. For transfers like vinyl or direct-to-film, the press is set to a higher temperature on top. For patches or sensitive materials, the lower platen is set to a higher temperature. Pressure is adjusted beneath the lower platen. There's a whole world of hat customization that is immediately unlocked with precision controls like this. Consistency comes standard thanks to the automatic opening feature that ensures a uniform press time on every hat. This also frees you up to multitask since your hats are saved from accidental overpressing. The touchscreen digital controller has dual timers and dual heat controls. You can set each platen to its own temperature. The top and bottom values on screen represent the upper and lower platens respectively. Dual timers allow you to set the main press timer and a separate pre- or post-press timer. There are 3 preset slots to quickly recall your favorite setting combinations. There's also a global counter and temperature scale adjustment. Both platens have been reshaped to better accommodate modern styles of hats. The upper platen also has a rounded edge and small bevel cut into the front corners to minimize press marks on the crown and bill of your hats. You'll notice the lower platen has been raised to provide extra clearance directly below. This provides the space needed to maneuver your hats for all-around pressing. This lower platen area is where we find a revolutionary new feature for cap presses, the slide-out lower platen. Positioning your transfers is now faster, easier, and safer with the additional clearance away from the heated upper platen. The slide-out lower platen also ensures the heating element does not scrape the bill of your hat. You can manually adjust the extension of the lower platen or set your preferred stopping position by adjusting the limit plate, an innovative new feature exclusive to the TrueSpec cap press. Speaking of innovation, the TransferGuard positioning tool is another brand new feature debuting on the TrueSpec cap press. The TransferGuard is a reusable, heat-conductive silicone cover that protects your hats from scorching while securing your transfers in place. This one tool eliminates both press marks and the need for heat tape. The tensioning clamp ensures your cap sits snug in place while being pressed. All of these incredible features combine for a heat press that can handle any heat transfer application you could throw at it. The TrueSpec dual heat slide-out cap press is amazing on all of the most popular styles of hats like snapbacks, foam truckers, dad hats, structured baseball caps, and more, with no need for additional padding or modification on the lower platen. The dual heated platens allow for perfect application on a variety of heat-applied transfers like HTV, DTF, and Plastisol. And of course, this also opens up the world of heat-applied patches, including leather, PVC, embroidery, woven, and so many other styles. To purchase your TrueSpec dual heat slide-out cap press, go to heatpressnation.com or give our friendly sales team a call at 800-215-0894. With over 60,000 5-star reviews and the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA, Heat Press Nation is ready to serve as your source for heat transfer equipment, materials, and supplies.